started again.
Feels like you do. It feels kind of like you do this like every couple of minutes for like starting and stopping recording instead of like doing like 11-minute episodes. You do like 5-minute episodes.
I try to do it planet by planet.
Oh, okay.
But for that one, there's so I made it a quick little bit.
Okay.
I don't.
Planet Umbris.
Welcome to my challenge.
I'll pronounce it however I want.
Your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it and
Like
join
me.
my fight against evil.
His face makes me uncomfortable.
What?
Yes, I don't know. Oh god, he got really
That
close.
was way too close.
Also, his eyes are so sunken in you can actually see the hollow parts of his head.
Oh yeah.
You
I
think he
wonder
got that in
the
the
animatronic bits behind his eyes. FNAF jokes, totally relevant still, right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Come on! Damn it. I thought you were gonna do like the flips so I could make a Space Jam joke. Because it's like, come on and slam! Come on, join the gym!
Do this like.
Everybody get up, it's time to Space Jam, Space Jam! Oh wait, I better not sing it or else you're gonna get copyrighted.
If we sing it, it doesn't get copyrighted because we're singing it, you know, it's safe.
Well, also, but like, PewDiePie got like, got his video taken down for humming Despacito.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not kidding. He got. Well, I don't think it was taken down. I think he just got demonetized because he just hummed the song. Yeah, just humming it. Not even saying a lyric, not even playing anything resembling it, just humming
That's so
the song. It's amazing how Justin Bieber became worse than he was when he was like 13.
Wait, how is this relevant?
That's a Justin Bieber song, isn't it?
No,
Despacito? He's in it, but it's not from him.
it's a
It's
Spanish song.
Who is it? It is from
Your mama.
Louis Fonzi? No, Fonzie.
Fonzie.
Louis Fonzi or something. I don't know. And
I'm too old for this world. My back, it hurts like a 30-year-old man.
Yeah, flamethrower. Why don't you use that on the chickens? Wait till they make Ratchet and Clank with a 4K filter. Like, they don't even like update the graphics, they just re-release the game with a 4K filter on it.
interesting.
And it's not, yeah, and it just it doesn't even like look good.
Imagine having like clipping but in 4K.
Yeah. Flipping tits.
You don't want to see Quark's face. His beautiful skin in 4K.
Hey, can you look at that robot face again that you just like smashed? It kind of looks like I don't know if you guys know this. Like, have you guys heard of like that robot Moby or whatever?
No.
You know what I'm talking about?
I don't.
Back in my school, they showed us like these flash videos of this guy and his like robot, and it's like, and it like teaches like math or something.
Why would I even know about that? That sounds so obscure.
I've had like some people like know what that is like, when I talk about it, or like some people mention that to me, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's something that I remember.
I forgot how to do this.
You want to see a glitch?
Yes.
But if you guys want to hear something obscure, have you guys heard of Chris Chan?
What?
I'm. Okay, should I give you context for what the hell I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, like, back on the, like, back in the mid-2000s, there's this guy named, Chris Chan, who was basically this guy who decided to make, who was this guy that was just really, like, autistic guy who decided to make these, like, comics about, like, his OC, which was...
You're talking about Sonic 2. Why did you go like dead quiet? Internet's out. Dang.
It went weird. It went south.
Like, people started drawing gay art of the characters just to piss off
Sorry.
Chris Chan because he, like,
My internet.
hated, like, he was a homophobe,
You
so
did?
then
No.
Chris then drew porn of his characters, and one of them was him performing acts on his only friend.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
it
his
was
friend got
wild.
pissed and his friend got pissed when she heard about it, and she was like, yo,
Don't
what the
talk
fuck
to
were you
me.
doing? And then Christian was like, now listen here.
I'm here. I'm having.
I
I'm
will
being
do something
bullied.
really stupid.
I'm being.
And then she
bullied.
was like,
I'm
and
being-
basically he was just really tone deaf to the whole situation. And also, where'd you go, like, recording? Like,
I was trying
what
to
happened
tell
to
you that
you?
y'all were talking. My internet went out.
Oh.
That's
That kind of explains why your internet's getting really buggy. But yeah, we're like, oh, you're kind of going in and out.
Wait, how did I read this? Because I want to read this.
But yeah, we're like talking about like Christian Weston Chandler.
I love how all the reveals are like overwhelmingly positive, but like it's all fake. But
Oh no, it's not fake.
Didn't like his parents' house burn down? Because I distinctly remember that. Are y'all with me?
that's hard to keep track of, even when he numbers them.
Yeah, there's a rabbit hole video on it.
Yeah, that's where I started learning about him, and then like I found this like multi-part like documentary series on Chris Chan that's in like 57 parts now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the lore on Chris Chan goes that deep.
Wow.
Written
Excuse my internet being completely trash, by the way.
It's
It's
fine.
okay.
It's fine.
It's good. We good. We ball.
Back then.
Okay. So,
Go. Kobe.
What do you need to? Oh, you got 10,000 of those.
You basically have all the nuts to spare.
Wow.
man, these drugs are.
Ooh, 11,000 nuts. That's a strange medical condition. Yeah, you pretty much eclipsed your house at that point.
Character design is not bad, but the drawing sounds so bad.
Like this part here where you're in basically the sewer system.
That's some nice music. Oh, so is my mic being funky?
No.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh wait.
Oh dear. You were like still understandable, but like you were just getting a little staticky. Speak again so that we know you are good.
I'm alive.
Yep, you sound.
Yay!
Yeah, I'm alive.
Yay! I'm alive, said
I'm
Frankenstein.
alive.
Stir.
Wasn't Frankenstein the actual scientist though?
Yeah, that's what I said. Frankenstein's monster. That's what I said.
Well, it's Frankenstein Jr. Alright, Junior, now I'm gonna show you.
Oh, here's a strange fun fact. I actually read the original book, and Frankenstein in the original book was actually pretty smart.
Yeah, pretty handsome, except for his weird eyes, and the scientist was like, ooh,
And he
gross.
had, like, stitches, and he was also like 9 feet tall.
Yeah,
That's a little tall.
that's a little tall.
Yeah.
Episode 2. Genesis.
You ever just wanted to punch sharks? Aw, sick. My internet's being whack again.
Well, well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Cheb and Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us, he's gonna kill us!
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark!
No, but it will be soon.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are Drek's ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought! I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble. But I wanted to... Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet? Yeah? Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Where is Lucky? Okay, that's his leg I was feeling.
Add attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.